It's one of the biggest days in this town's history. We want everybody to take part in that and to really bring everybody together and then move forward together.
We're going to wake this big boy up with a bit of a bang.
Are you all right, Willington? Are you all right, Willington? 13th of April, 1896, Branspeth Colliery. An explosion ripped through the ways, 20 men and boys killed.
Sing sweetly as you
Joseph Brigham,
travel on,
Thomas Carling,
and keep
William Cook.
We're looking at really getting people to feel proud of their place, to understand their place, to feel a sense of belonging about the place where they live, where they belong, about their landscape, and understanding how that landscape was created.
Willington was built around mining. That's how Willington came into being. And so it's really important that we remember that and we remember the mining history, because that's why Willington is today.
We think there is an importance in keeping the reality of these stories alive. There's a collective sense of pride in this is what our forebears achieved. And with that level of industry and innovation, who's to say we can't achieve something great directly?